Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see who viewed my X Twitter profile. First of all, you can open the X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply see your home page, and after seeing your home page, I can tell you the X app doesn't provide any feature to see who viewed your X profile, and you can see who viewed your X profile. You can just simply have a premium subscription on X. After premium subscription, you can see the profile visits and engagements and analytics, but you cannot see properly who see your profile on X, and it is a way you can see who viewed your profile on X or Twitter. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.